Brand new car, Eric.
Porsche Taycan.
Taycan.
Turbo S.
It's a little dirty, needs to wash once this rain clears up. But I guess after this, oh, dude, the interior's nice. It's like a purple, kind of.
That's your own. You can control your own shit. Navigation.
This is what, brand new 2021?
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is sick.
This one's impressive.
Hell yeah. Better put my seatbelt on.
Oh yeah.
You ever drove an electric car before?
I have. Remember I was gonna buy that Tesla? Why? Because they pissed me off.
Nah, I don't remember that.
Yeah, before I bought the Porsche.
Oh, that's right, yeah. Oh my goodness. Dude, it sounds amazing.
It's
I like
cool,
the
right?
way it sounds. Like kind of like a turbo or some shit, yeah.
I think what's cool is we own an electric motor shop and an electric car.
That is cool. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's like I'm having an orgasm every time you do that, bro. Which is kind of gay, but
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay to be gay sometimes.
I mean, if it feels as good. I like the way that sounds, bro.
I like it.
I'm okay with not having exhaust on the electric car now, because that shit sounded badass.
Still gets squirrely on you though.
Yeah, dude, holy crap. But you could feel like the control though, it feels sturdy as hell. Oh, whichever. We got regular people.
The RC car. That's what it sounds like.
Yeah, it's exactly what it sounds like. Man, I don't even know what speed we hit earlier.
Dude,
I haven't even been
hits
looking.
100 fucking quick.
What's the 0 to 60 on this car?
2.5?
Oh my God.
2.4?
That's wild. Damn. How do you feel about the McLaren in this?
Oh, the McLaren will whip this, but
The fun factor, I guess.
this is cool because it's quiet. Watch, look how fast we get 0 to 60.
Yeah,
Ready?
let's do it.
Tell me when you're ready.
Go for it. I'm gonna try to hold my phone and it's gonna go back a little bit. Oh my God. Dude, we hit that like in like 2 seconds, 3
Yeah,
at the most.
quick.
That's crazy. Hey, where's that? Oh my God, check out that car. They're not gonna like you around here, bro. Going 100 miles an hour in these little streets.
I know.
Dude, I feel like I'm in the spaceship, bro. It's crazy. The noises. Oh my God. Hey, those brakes are huge too. Are those actual caliper or they're?
No, that's fucking carbon ceramic brakes. They're huge.
But that's like the whole caliper when I'm looking at.
$10,000 option, yeah.
I believe it, yeah.
I think it's 14 actually.
Dang. The future's exciting. Oh man.
Where do you want this one at?
Wherever, yeah, up there. That's cool.
Put you right over.
As long as you pass
See the
the
room?
water hose that way.
There you go. Right there.
Alright, that'll work.
So look, this one, park.
Yeah.
That's it. When you cut it off, you just hold that. That's it.
Okay, and to turn on, just hold that
Okay.
over there. Cool.
You have to hold it though.
Okay. And then what is this drive and all that right there?
Yeah,
just
it's
up,
just
down?
yeah. Thing is, though, pay attention to it being in drive because I mean, if you don't expect it and you give it gas, it's gotta go if it's in drive.
Yeah.
So
That's for sure. It's gonna go.
just tap it. Hey, yeah, I was doing burn up, rolling burn up yesterday.
With this thing?
Yeah, right there.
But it's all-wheel drive. Damn. Yeah, this thing is amazing. I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna show you all the results after. Pretty dirty because you know it's raining. It's big old calipers I'm talking about. Look at that. Damn. It's huge.